Ta-da! I'm gonna show you guys something. Guys, just see my cats are sleeping right there. So adorable. I love you guys so much. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is 19th May. That means today is my birthday. Actually, some of you guys suggested me you guys want to see my birthday vlog. So here I am. Another reason why I am vlogging. I just want to keep this as a memory forever. How I spent my 22nd birthday with coronavirus. Right now I am having my coffee. It's 11:30 right now. Good morning. Today I have to wash my hair. After this I think I'm gonna take a shower. This is so hot, like so hot. Today I'm gonna make a DIY hair mask that I think I'm gonna wear something cute, not my brother's t-shirt. Okay, so I just could not see my hair like this anymore. I'm gonna show you. This is impossible. Used some curd, some coconut oil and some aloe vera gel, kind of a deep conditioning mask. So greasy. Wait for it. As finally I am looking like a nanny. I'm gonna keep it for 1 hour maybe. Just gonna check my DMs, my messages. All are so sweet. I feel so grateful. Obviously I am gonna keep something at the end of this video for you guys. What's this? Obviously delicious food. Pulao. Then I think this is, I'm sorry if you are vegan, but I'm not. So yeah, this is like heaven. This is literally heaven. Part is this thing right over here, jalebi. I'm gonna use this hair mask from OGX. This is actually not sponsored. I just personally love this one. So I'm just gonna use this.
Oh my god!
Okay, so I think it's gonna rain today. So I just took a shower, feeling so relaxed. I can't even explain. I'm gonna use a serum. Always do this step. This video is not at all sponsored by OGX. They don't even know who I am. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna use it all over my favorite food right over here. I just adore you. I just love you so much. First time ever it's raining on my birthday. So finally, let me just first explain. First of all, I was always that person. In every 10 minutes, I'm gonna cut my hair short. I'm gonna dye my hair. I'm gonna have pink hair. Today, I am brave enough to cut my hair. I have my scissors. I'm gonna section my hair. Now, I am not a professional. And I'm just doing it because I just want to, but I have some experience because when I was in class 8 or 9 maybe, I used to cut my hair all the time. I used to actually destroy my hair. I have this too. They're different, I know that.
I'm just like to roll with you. Got to keep me focused. You wanna say so. that you had a moment. Why don't you face up? Didn't even notice. No pictures that you wrote.
So this is finished look. To be honest, I'm loving it. Actually really loving it. It's completely up to you what you are going to do with your hair or anything like that. I'm not a strong believer that you should not cut your hair, on your birthday and stuff like that. It's completely up to you. It's your choice what you believe, and it's kind of like a small self gift. On my 22nd birthday, I have short hair. Right guys, I'm gonna end up this vlog right over here. It's 8 o'clock right now, but first obviously I have a little gift for you all. It's my love. I am so grateful to have you guys in my life. All of you, if you're watching this video, I'm so grateful. I love you guys so much. I don't know, maybe you guys will like it. Just want this video to be really special, especially for you all. And here's a little gift for you all. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Oscar.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And lots of best wishes to you. And come on and go home. I love you.
Love you too. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I don't know how am I going to explain this. I am in quarantine. We all are in quarantine. We are going through a very rough situation, a very rough process right now. But I just always feel I am so blessed that I am actually celebrating my birthday with my family, with my friends, with all of you. But sometimes I do think about people who are suffering right now, when they will meet their family. Just thought of sharing this video with you guys. This is like really simple, and everything is like so messed up. Everything is like not so aesthetic or anything like that. I just hope you guys stay safe, stay home, stay positive. You guys really enjoyed this video. I don't know, this was a really random birthday vlog. Can you guys just see this? So messed up. Enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video.